Yes, who is that?
It's me, your neighbor.
How is work now?
Are you forgetting that I don't have job? I don't have job.
I'm jobless, sorry.
It's your father that is jobless.
See, stop all this. I'm not thinking of getting you a job.
Don't get me a job. I don't come here for work.
So what are you here for then?
I won't confess.
Confess?
Confession time.
I want to confess. I'm listening.
I dey always knock your wife for your back.
Stop. You know, you joke a lot.
If you don't go work, when your wife go do like say she too dey go work, she dey always come back. I go dey knock am anyhow.
You are very, very funny. Stop all this now.
You are a useless man by trusting a woman.
So you mean I cannot trust my wife?
You be good for not believing me.
Stop it.
Let me show you proof. I do with proof. I'm a man of proof. Is this not your wife? This all slate style. This is a list style that wife is doing.
But this is my wife.
That is why I said don't trust anybody.
Babe!
Don't. You want to cast my updates? No, nah. Please don't matter of shouting, babe. She dey complain say you know the last. Say you know the last. Say your this thing is small. Are you crying?
No.
I feel like crying for you. Upon all the work wey you dey shop, you know the last.
I'm trying my best now.
Not by trying your best, you dey last. Actually, I have solution for you.
Solution?
Yes. Aswaju will do it.
You mean Jagaban?
And your father be Jagaban. I mean Aswaju herbs. If you are not lasting on bed, this will help you. If your kokoro is too small, they will help you to increase it to any size that you want.
Please, how can I get it?
How can you get it? You can message them on Instagram or call there or see WhatsApp them.
Please, can you just give me small, please?
I will give you small. You know my G. Find me Tifa, I take give you small.
Just that?
Find me small thing. You will use it and thank you later.